flax. I've been hearing some really promising results of flax grown up in Montana as an integrated with crop rotations.
Flax
Yeah.
is by far the most amenable bast fiber to work with. Hemp is kind of glorified
Yeah.
a lot, and it's not that there's no reason not to glorify its many attributes, but flax is a much less lignin and pectin rich. You know, think about it, it just moves in the field like this, whereas
Yeah.
hemp is like more like bamboo.
Right.
Try turning the bamboo into a t-shirt versus the flax into,
Yeah.
you know, you don't need as much chemistry, you don't need as much microbial dew redding. Flax is king.